Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dungeon Tycoon crashing on your PC or the freezing issues. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, open it. And guys, here you will see all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are about the 90%, then this means this is the dangerable, and on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or the CPU and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the end task. Then click on the startups on the top and just here disable all the background application, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next setting is go to the Windows search and just type here the privacy settings and just open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down and you'll see the background app. Just click on that, and guys, here just make sure that this option is off. Now these applications consume a lot of CPU or RAM and cause your game crash, so make sure you disable or turn off. Now the next setting is the system configuration settings. So go to the Windows side, type here the system configurations and open it. Here you will see the boot on the top. Click on that, click on the advanced options and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value selected, this will increase your game performance, also increase your FPS. Then just click on the OK, then just click on the services, then just check this box or the hide all Microsoft services, then just disable all of these, because these are also the services that are useless and causing your game crash. So make sure you disable all the services, then just click on apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, simply launch the game and your any kind of crashing problem will be fixed with this game. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.